Hello, I'm Philip Marchand, and today I will be showing you the chain of chain reaction. What is the chain of chain reaction? The chain of chain reaction is the evolution, so to speak, of different forms of popsicle stick chain reaction. You can see it starts at the bottom with the triangle bomb, and it goes up towards the top with the chains. Now you're probably wondering why this is so important. Well, if you want to create the chains at the top, you're going to have to know how to make the chain craft before it. To see videos on how to make the chain craft here, please at the end of the video, click on the annotation covering the requested piece. You can also look at the links in the description on how to make these chain crafts. First, let me explain that this section here that seems to be single pieces of craft are called chain bombs. These are singular pieces of chain. You definitely need to know how to make the bomb right before the chain, otherwise you won't be able to build the chain. I'm sure you can see there at the top the chains. There are 3 of them. You will be able to create those after you've built your bombs. Now let's take a look at the triangle bomb. You can see that the triangle has 3 sticks that connect on the top, and the sticks balance out the forces. Because this is a triangle, it makes it the strongest bomb. The sticks in this bomb can be rearranged to make the other bombs above it. Now let's look at the one directly above it. You can see that's called star bomb. Sort of shaped like a star, but not really. That is the most efficient bomb. It only takes 4 sticks to make that, but it's also the most unstable bomb. Right above that one, in between the 3, is the COBRA Stitch. That is the most common, and you'll see me make that one as it performs the best. It doesn't take up too many sticks, and it gets you really cool chain reaction. Now the one to the left of that, it's called a double X bomb. You can see that it's a double X, but the reason it balances out is because it's actually 2 triangles. If you look at it closely, you can see that the triangles balance each other out. On the right, the top right, you can see that's called the square bomb. As I will show you, it is the easiest to make from a triangle bomb. You'll definitely be able to see how these each originate from each other based off of the square bomb. Here you can see I have a triangle bomb. What I'm going to do to make it a square bomb is I'm going to put this piece on top here in the middle, and then I'm going to move these 2 pieces out to the side. Now what happens is instead of all the points connecting at the top, I've spread them out on this one stick here. So now that I have a square bomb, I've shown you that a triangle bomb, which I can revert back to, just pushing these vertices together and removing this stick, I've shown you, oh, it exploded. I've shown you that they each evolve from each other. This is the easiest one to do. The other ones aren't as easy. I'll show you another one. I'll show you the triangle or the star one. So I quickly build my triangle bomb. Now what I'm going to do instead is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this middle piece right here, and I'm going to move it so that it goes to one of the corners that doesn't connect. This one's a little bit harder to make without it exploding. I'm not going to be able to... let me think about this for a second. Let me try it again. So, what I do is I move this middle piece so that it's making 3 connections with this piece down here, and it has 3 connections with this piece down here. So now what I do is I flip it this way. You can see my star pattern. All I do is I very carefully take out this piece, and hopefully it doesn't break. See, that's what I mean by it's the most unstable. It's very, very unstable, so you have to be very careful when you build this one, and it explodes really easily. Please check out my videos, but please, please, please start with this one. It's really easy to make, and it's really fast, and it's the basis to everything that you'll need to know in chain reaction. Have a great day. If you want to see this video, click right here.